In this brief tutorial, I will demonstrate how to access and utilize the Instagram activity log. The activity log serves as a valuable tool, providing a comprehensive record of all actions undertaken on the platform, including likes, comments, tags, and more. This feature empowers users to monitor their interactions and engagement on Instagram effectively. To commence, launch the Instagram application and proceed to tap the profile picture icon situated at the bottom right corner of the screen. Subsequently, tap the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner, followed by selecting the Your Activity option. Upon completion of these steps, various options will be presented, such as likes, comments, tags, and others. By tapping on any of these options, users can delve into further details. For instance, tapping on likes will display a comprehensive list of all posts that have been liked on Instagram. This concludes the process of accessing the activity log on Instagram.